Guys, Bitcoin Live. The price right now is $29,000, but at the same time, I see diversion on the RSI. Guys, I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin. Our last call in Bitcoin was to buy Bitcoin right here, $16,000. Trade crypto members know when they should buy and sell Bitcoin. Let's talk about the trades I share in the private list on the last 2 days. We just made 525%. MITHRIL, we trade Sympathy, Alpha5, AntiMatter token, Random token, and Coral Swap. Guys, we focus on buyer power plus volume spike. We focus on coins with high volume. Coins with high volume is the key, guys. Pay attention. Volume is the key. First trade recap, MITHRIL. Shares traded the private list yesterday. We bought this coin for 0.002 and you sold right here 0.004, 55%, 5,500. 90% we made in alpha. Shares traded the private list at 0.012 and you sold right here 0.025, 9%. And Coral Swap, guys, a hora just get filled. A share traded the private list yesterday, 28. We bought this coin for 2 cents and you put a sell order right here, 4 cents. Almost 100%. I made $9,000 in this trade. Guys, if you'd like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. I share all my trades in the private list. My software is tracking 5,000 coins right now and alert me when some coin is running on the volume spike plus buyer power. Buyer must control the market so you can buy this coin. Okay. Also, I will teach you a strategy to swing trade Bitcoin and the main cryptos, and also this strategy you can use to trade um, stocks too. Okay. Overall, that's all for today. So let's check what's my software is tracking right now here. So I developed this software, guys. Took me almost 9 months to make this thing sharp. Now it's working just fine. And my software alerted me when some specific coin is running high volume. And we only jump in trades with high buyer power, guys. All you gotta do is to follow my trades, because more people buying the same coin at the same time, price goes up faster. That's the reason I share my trades in the private list. You have a lifetime opportunity to trade crypto worldwide, anytime, anywhere, guys. You just need my email. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Together, we are strong. One more time, guys. Let me show the trades I share in the private list, and you just made 525%. MITHRIL, Sympathy, Alpha5, AntiMatter token, Random token, and Coral Swap. Volume is keeping changing. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.